Good day, everyone. Welcome to Agility Academy live sessions. So today we are going to cover Enterprise Agility Foundation in 10 minutes. So stay tuned. We are going to explore how you can accelerate agile business transformation across your organization, across your teams, across your program without getting stuck where people are resisting change. So let's begin. A bit around Agility Academy. So Agility Academy was founded in 2017 with view of sharing knowledge and spreading knowledge in agile leadership and learning space. We have got 150 plus years of collective experience when it comes to delivering outcome in various industries across the world. Uh, we offer more than 20 courses as well as corporate training when it comes to agility. We are authorized training as well as transformational partner of Scale Agile. We are authorized training and transformational partner of Enterprise Agility University and IBQMI. Now let's dig in. So when we look into the latest report, which was published by recently, it was found that when it comes to making those changes, when it comes to enrolling or adopting agile ways of working, top five or top six challenges which are faced by any organizations or any agile leader are with regard to how to align organizational culture with agile values, how to get everyone on board and ensure that there is a less resistance to change and there are right kind of skills experience with regard to agile methods present on the ground. Another aspect which was found was not always leadership is onboarded, not always everyone within organization is onboarded when it comes to change. And that's where most of the agile transformation fails. And those who have joined me here, feel free to ask any question. Just mention your name and location if you are watching it on Facebook, LinkedIn, uh, or YouTube. I'm Sandeep Ranaware. We have just started and we are going to explore how, as an agile coach, agile consultant, HR, Scrum Master, or change consultant, you can effectively lead successful agile transformation without facing a lot of challenges. So these are the challenges which have been highlighted in a latest report, State of Agile report, where most of the significant barriers for adopting and scaling agile practices are with regard to consistent processes as well as having organizational culture which is at with agile values and general resistance to change. Now that's where Enterprise Agility Foundation's two-day workshop comes in picture. And with this, what you get ability to gain expertise, ability to successfully lead agile teams, programs, and organizations during any agile transformation or adoption without resistance to change or stress. This program or this workshop is divided into three phases. So we always start with phase one, which is understand. So we'll understand why agile transformation fails. What is the reason behind that? We'll learn importance of having different approach, which goes beyond classic agility, which is enrolling everyone into one particular agile ways of working or framework. So we'll explore here the importance of enterprise agility when it comes to dealing with the challenges faced by individuals, teams during agile transformation. So that's step one. Step two is understand change tactics or techniques. And this is where a lot of agile consultants, agile coaches, scrum masters, or even people leaders fail because for a change, you need a different approach. And in this particular step, you will gain knowledge, skills, which are related to advanced change management techniques while you are dealing agile transformation, while you are moving from one stage to another stage and keep evolving. Step three in phase one is deliver value faster during disruption. So in this particular phase, we will become expert in leading teams to deliver better value, better outcome to your customers, stakeholders, while dealing with the stressful situations. So it's not all about just delivering things fast. It's all about delivering things without compromising on team well-being or organizational health. That is the key takeaway from this third step. Once we are done with the phase one, we'll move on to the phase two, which is discover. In discover phase, fourth step is mental agility and neuroplasticity. So whenever there's a change which needs to happen, the way our brain reacts, the way as a human being we react is a bit different. And that's where you need to have advanced knowledge about neuroplasticity, what happens inside your brain, psychology, so on and so forth. So in this step four, we'll be exploring advanced techniques to increase people's flexibility, adaptability, as well as emotional intelligence when it comes to dealing with changes. Once we are done with step four, we'll move on to the step five. In this step, we'll be exploring area which is dealing with high resistance to change. And as part of this step, we will be exploring how five different type of change tactics can be leveraged when it comes to influencing people's behaviors in a sustainable way. How you can use these tactics when you can align your behavior or align your goal with regard to change in behavior with objectives or outcomes you are expecting, and how you can ensure that it's sustainable. It's not that only one day or for one sprint or one week someone has changed and then again they have fallen back to the old habits. Step six is which is final step in discover phase, is become agility change champion. So as part of this step, you will understand and explore how to lead exponential change confidently while maintaining high team health and organizational health without stress. So, what kind of things you should look out for? What kind of challenges you might expect when it comes to leading teams in a stressful environment, or in fact, in an environment when market is disruptive, a lot of changes are happening. You need to deliver things faster compared to your competitor, and at the same time, you don't want to put undue burden on your team members. You don't want to work in um, environment which is going to ensure that they will be burned out. So, how you can become agility change champion is something which will be covered in phase two. Phase three, which is learn phase, is the last phase of this 2 day workshop. And in this, you'll be exploring social agility. So, as a part of social agility, you will understand that as a human being, we are a social animal. So, we love to socialize, we love to connect with different people. So, how you can use those informal connection channels, how you can set up the teams in a such a way that you will have a better social density. So, in this step seven, we'll explore and understand impact of social agility, social density, and how to create a practices, how to create a framework in which there will be more innovation, in which people will feel empowered, people will have autonomy to deliver business value quickly. Step eight in phase three is change journey pyramid. So everyone, when it comes to change, people are at different stages. Someone might not bother whether you are changing or not. Someone might not be ready to accept that change. Someone might say that, hey, I don't care what you are saying. I don't want to change. This is working for me since I started my career. Why should I change? And there might be people who might be saying that, hey, we want to change, but we don't know where to go, where to find information, who is there to support us. So in this step eight, you will explore change journey pyramid and different strategies to be followed at each of those change journey pyramid. Along with that, we'll be also exploring structural agility. So how to have those processes, structures in an organization, which will be supportive when it comes to delivering benefits of agile transformation. Last step in phase three or in this program is the power of micro habits. So 50% of things which we do in our day-to-day work, as per Harvard Business Review report, is as a part of habits. We don't need to push ourselves to do brush or take bath or do basic hygiene, right? That has just get wired somewhere in our brain. So how you can use that power of micro habits to ensure that this change is sustainable, and how that can be used to become an expert enterprise agility leader who can build an always ready, always responsive team, group, or company. So that's about this enterprise agility foundations 2 day workshop, which will make you ensure that you gain expertise to lead change at team level, program level, or organizational level without facing resistance or with minimum resistance. So if you want to get crystal clear on the next steps which you want to do and how we can Agility Academy can support you to become a successful agile coach or enterprise agile coach or even agile consultant or people leader, while then reach out to us by scanning the code, which is here, and QR code. So that will take you to the course registration. Or you can call us on +61 451 811 164, or you can drop even email to team@agilityacademy.com.au. So wish you good luck in your agile transformational journey. If you want any help, if you want any support, then feel free to reach out to us on call, WhatsApp, Telegram, or just scan this code and register for upcoming 2-day workshop on enterprise agility foundations. Thank you and have a great day.